Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I had many comments regarding how did I connect my bulb to Alexa and to the Fire TV stick, and how did I used it to set up my home theater. So I am here to tell you all the connections that I did here. So let's start the video. All your devices should be connected to a same Wi-Fi network. I am using here a JioFi network. If you don't have this, you can always use your spare mobile. The mobile hotspot also works very well. To my Jio 5, I have connected the Fire TV stick, the Amazon Echo device, any smart bulb. I am using a Wipro smart bulb. You can use the MI smart bulb also. Along with this, you will need two applications in your mobile. That is, any smart application which supports your bulb and an Amazon Alexa app which supports the Echo Dot. Firstly, power on the router and connect it to your mobile's Wi-Fi. Then plug in the Fire TV stick and connect the Wi-Fi to it. Let me tell you the connections. I am using it to control my home theater system, and I also use it to take a break and resume the movie. Check out the above link to see how I have used it. Today I'll show you how I have connected it. So let's start the video. You need a router or a common mobile hotspot through which all these three devices are paired. Only then these all functions will work. Then you need a Fire TV stick. Then any smart bulb. Here I am using the Wipro brand. You can also use the MI smart bulb. And then you need an Echo Dot. Whichever smart bulb you are using, download the respective application. For Wipro, you have the Wipro Next Smart Home, whereas for MI bulb, you have the MI Home. First, go to the Play Store and download the Wipro Next Smart Home. I have already downloaded this application, but I'll show you the icon. You need to download this. Then go to your Amazon Alexa app. I have already shown you how to pair your Echo Dot to the Alexa application. Check out the above link to check out that video. Then here I'll go to add device. Then I'll add a device. Here I'll select light. Then I'll select the brand. I use a Wipro bulb, so I'll go to Wipro. Then it says connect your Wipro light to Alexa and discover devices. When all the three devices are paired to the same hotspot, discover devices, it's very easy. It will set up the light. Follow all the instructions. I have switched on my Wipro smart bulb. Now I'll go to the app. I'll add this device. I'll select light source BLE plus Wi-Fi. Now let me reset the device first. For this, I'll turn on and off the device 3 times and I'll ensure that the light is blinking rapidly. Now see, the light is blinking rapidly. I'll confirm the light is blinking rapidly tab. Then I need to enter my Wi-Fi password. I have entered the password. I'll confirm. It's connecting. Whenever you change the router, this process will happen. You have to reset the device and connect it to your app again.
Wipro bulb from the Wipro Next Smart Home skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Wipro bulb.
Okay, so it is connected to my Alexa also. I'll first control it from my mobile and then I'll control it with the Alexa. So you see I have this on and off switch and the color options. So I'll first off it. The light is off. Switch on. Now I'll change the color. This is the white tone. This is towards the yellow side. This is towards more yellow side. In color option you have different hues. This is the red. This is green. From mobile you can control your bulb by just touching the different options. You see it's light blue. Green, red. I'll switch off the light so that different colors will be appreciated. You see this is now pink in color. You see this is yellow. This is green. This is light blue. This is blue. This is red. You can change the brightness. This is the minimum brightness. This midway. This is the maximum brightness. I'm using a 12-watt bulb. This is the brightness. So you see you can move it towards more brighter side. Now these are the different scenes. So this is the reading mode where it's very bright. Now this is the working mode. Leisure. It gives you different combinations. This is the night mode. This is soft. Here this is colorful, where it will change colors over time. It is good for party mode. This is the dazzling mode. So in the app you find different modes where you can change the colors of bulb. Then in the settings you can add your own seed name and you can set a color. Then you can select different flash modes. You have static, flash, breathe. Then you can also change the speed. So let's go to the white mode. This is the maximum brightness. I'll reduce the brightness. This is warm white. Now let's try to control it with my smart speaker. Alexa, switch off Wipro bulb. Alexa, switch on Wipro bulb. You can also edit the name of this Wipro bulb from here, because Wipro bulb itself is a long name, so I would like to change it only to light. Alexa, switch off light. See, it's responding. Alexa, switch on light. Alexa, change color of light to red. Alexa, change color of light to green. So right now I have paired the Eco device and the smart bulb to my mobile. All the three devices are connected to the same router. Now let's connect this to the Fire TV stick so that whenever I give a command to pause a movie or play a movie, all these three devices, that's the Eco Dot, the Fire Stick and the smart bulb, will work together.
In order to link the Fire TV to Amazon Echo, during purchase of Fire TV, you should have clicked the checkbox wherein it says link all my devices to my Amazon account. So in that case, it already comes linked, or otherwise you follow all the instructions once you power on the Fire TV and power on the Echo Dot and get it paired. So now let's see how to make all these devices work together and make your home theater system smart by listening to your voice. So for that, go to more section, then go to routines. Here you see I have many routines set. Now let's make a new routine. Say I'll go to add routine and then I'll enter routine name. Say I enter routine name like home theater. Next, then when this happens, this action will take place. This is how this routine works. So let's see when this happens. You can give a voice command, you can schedule a time, or you can set an alarm. In smart home, if you have different devices, you can use that. I would like to give a voice command, so I'll select voice. So if I want to say Alexa, pause movie, I'll select next. Then what action should Alexa take? So I want Alexa, she can talk to you, she can do all these different functions. I want her to take action on my Fire TV. So here there are different options, like after this command, do I want her to power on the Fire TV or power off, or play some content, or pause the video, resume the video, or navigate to home button. So I would like her to pause the video. So see, Alexa will pause video on your Fire TV device. Then I'll select next. Then you see there are different options. Okay, so I'll add one more action here. So this action I want on my bulb. So here I'll go to smart home. Here I'll go to lights, the Wipro bulb. Next, here I want it to power on. Okay, and brightness also. So I want it, when I say pause, I want it to power on my light and put brightness to say 72%, and I want to change color. You have so many options to select from. Well, I don't want to change the color. I'll do next. So you see, I can shuffle these, and I can also use one more function. I want Alexa to say, I want it to customize, so I'll write okay, take a break. Next. So you see, what I have done is, when I'll say Alexa pause movie, the Alexa Echo Dot will first pause my Fire TV, then it will power on my Wipro smart bulb, and it will say okay, take a break. Okay, so from which device I want this action to take place, I'll choose the device you speak to. No, I want it from the Echo Dot, so I'll talk to Echo Dot, and the output will also come from Echo Dot. Now I'll save it. So this is my home theater routine. Alright, now I'll make one more routine wherein I want Alexa to resume the video. Alright, so again go to add routine. When this happens, I'll say When I want to say resume movie, then action will be she'll say welcome. Alright. Next, then I also want her to take action on my Fire TV. I want her to resume my video, so I'll resume the video. And I also want her to take action on my light, so I'll go to smart home. Here I'll go to lights, my Wipro bulb. Next, I want her to power off. Brightness, I want her to do 0. And device, I'll choose it from Eco Dot. Alright, so first I want to resume, so I'll shift it above. Well, that's it. I'll save it. So in this way you can make different routines in your Alexa app, and you can enter your routine names, then you can schedule. Alright, then you can add an action. What action she takes is she plays some music, she reads messages, news. In skills, you have your skills or popular skills. You see the bhajans, quiz of the day, relaxing sounds, sleep sounds, different skills. And she can tell you about the traffic's updates. She can wait for some time. She can tell you weather details. Then in sounds, she can produce different sounds like this. So I can also add this wait function. So if I want to modify, suppose I want to modify my home theater skill. Alright, so I'll go, okay, and then I'll add an action. Say suppose I want her to wait for some time, so these are minutes, so I'll keep it to say few seconds. I'll keep it, say 10 seconds. So I want her to wait for 10 seconds. Then I'll move this above, wherein I want her to wait for 10 seconds, then pause my TV and then switch on the Wipro bulb and say okay, take a break. So let's save it. So when I'll do back, the routine is updated successfully. So now let's play this routine on my Fire TV stick on my projector. Let's see how it works.
So friends, I have powered on my Fire TV and also my smart bulb is on. I have also set the routines. So now let's see if the Fire TV stick, the Eco Dot and the smart bulb is paired. I will play my routines and show you if it works. Firstly, I'll power off the light. Alexa, switch off light. Now I'll go to YouTube and I'll open my channel. I have opened my channel. Now let's see if the routines that I have set, if it works or no. I'll play some video.
Hello friends, in today's video
Alexa,
I'm going to share how I
pause
watch
movie.
3D movies on my projector. For this you need an Android box and any 3D movie format which is in side-by-side format. I am using
Okay, take a break.
So you see we have set the routine as power on the bulb, wait for 10 seconds and then pause the video. So this is how it has paused my video. Now let me resume. Alexa, resume movie.
my MI box is for this project.
So see, it has started the video again and it also said welcome. Alexa, pause movie.
About 3D movies, let me tell you something. There are 3 types of 3D glasses. One is an active polarized glass, second is a passive polarized glass, and third.
See,
Okay, take a break.
see, it has paused my movie or the video. It works on YouTube, Hotstar and Prime Videos. I haven't tried it on other apps. Alexa, resume movie.
Is the analytic glass. Talking in short about the 3D technology,
So perfect, this is the way the routine works. So that's it for today, friends. I have shown you how to combine all the features of smart bulb, smart speaker with your Fire TV stick and use it as per your preferences. There are many different variations you can do in routines section of Amazon Alexa. So if you have some new ideas, let me know, or if you want me to do some videos on these topics, let me know in comments. I'll definitely do. So that's for today, friends. If you like the video, please hit the like, share and comment option, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and be notified.